Before we can start building our game, we need to create a folder where the game and all its assets will live. So we go to our Scratch Projects folder, which is inside the Documents folder. Double click to open it up. And here we're going to create a new folder. So right click anywhere on the screen, and from the pop-up menu that appears, click on New Folder. We're going to call this folder Light Cycle. Hit enter to confirm creation of your folder. Next, we're going to open up this folder. Double click to open it. And as you can see, it's empty. Now the next thing we're going to need to do is to paste all the assets for our game inside here. Now you can get these assets in this lesson just below this video by clicking on the download link. When you click on the download link, it will download a file containing all the assets for your game into your downloads folder. So once you've clicked on the download link and the file has downloaded, you can now go to the downloads folder. Inside your downloads folder, you'll find this file. It's called lightcycle.zip. Double click to open it up. And when you double click it, another folder appears called Lightcycle. Double click that one to open it up. And inside there, you'll find all the assets for your game. Now you can press Command A on your keyboard to select all of the assets, or Control A if you've got a Windows machine, and then Command C to copy all of these assets. And again, if you've got a Windows machine, it's Control C. So once you've selected all and you've copied them, next we go to our Light Cycle folder. So back to Documents, Scratch Projects, Light Cycle, and here you right click, and in the pop-up menu that appears, you can click on Paste. And the instant you do that, all your assets are transferred from the Downloads folder into your Light Cycle folder. Now that we have all our assets in place, we can begin creating our game.